What's up guys, this is Andrew from Coffee Break. In this video you are going to learn how to make a simple home automation using IoT with the help of Blynk app. So let's go to the video. Gather the required components like ESP module, 2-channel relay, then USB to TTL converter and few jumper wires. I strongly suggest you to buy a breakout board from the online market. In my case, I made my own. So if you buy a breakout board, it's quite comfortable for you. This is the circuit diagram which I have constructed. What I did is I already downloaded the program. After that, I have to connect the GPIO0 to the input 1 of the relay and GPIO2 of the input 2 of the relay. That's all, quite easy. Then give a 5 volt to the relay module and 3.3 volt to the breakout board to the ESP module. So if you made this circuit, then you have to come to the program. Before going to the program, let us install the Blynk app in our mobile. Then open the Blynk app, log in with your Gmail ID and password. Then if you enter into the Blynk app, then you have to create a new project and give the suitable name as you needed. Then select ESP8266. This is our device. There are a lot of devices inside the Blynk app. That means Node MCU, 12 series, 32 and so on. But you have to select 8266. Okay. Then you have to select the theme. I prefer the light theme, but if you wish to dark, you can select the dark and just click create so that it will go to another screen. So there you have to add the widget box. In the widget box there are more number of widgets, but you have to select the button. If you select the button, it will be on the screen. Then once again touch the button, select the pin to GPIO0 and then the mode to switch. If it is okay, then give okay. Then if you need one more button, because we are going to add 2 relays, so add one more buttons and select the pin GPIO2. If you created successfully, then come to the PC. So this is the time to install the Blynk library in our Arduino IDE. So I have given the web link in the description. You can able to download the link. Okay, so if you downloaded the Blynk release version 0.6.1, so you have to copy the RAR file to the Arduino folder in the document. So go into the Arduino folder, then open the libraries folder and paste our RAR file. Then extract the RAR file. Inside the RAR file, you can able to see 4 different folders. Okay, so right now we have added the library of Blynk inside our Arduino IDE library. Then open the Arduino IDE software. Okay, then you can go to examples, then Blynk, as well as finally you can able to see some of the examples inside the Blynk folder. Okay, so you have to select Wi-Fi standalone. So that's our final program. We are not going to write the new program. We are going to edit the program of the Blynk to download inside the ESP module. Now you have to change the board from Arduino UNO to ESP8266 module. Then you have to edit the program. Some necessary changes like our Wi-Fi user ID and Wi-Fi password. And the most important thing is you have an token in your email. That means the Blynk already sent a token to your email ID which you already log in. Okay, go and copy the token and paste it in this token. Okay, so that's all. Then you have to download the program with the USB to TTL converter to the ESP module. Make sure you have connected the GPIO0 to ground on the breakout board before downloading. If it is okay, then click upload. Now your program will download to the ESP module. So construct the circuit as per the circuit diagram. Connect the GPIO0 to the 2-channel relays input 1 and GPIO2 to the input 2, and give the 5 volt to the relay module and 3.3 volt to the ESP module. If it is okay, time to go to demo. I hope you understand how to make a home automation with the Blynk app. So if you have any doubt, just comment me. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.